Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another traditional Spanish dessert or snack. It's churros, and personally I think we love them. I don't really remember eating them a lot as a child, but they're very popular in the northern region of Morocco. We would like buy them from the streets, and it's for afternoon tea usually. So hi to everyone in the northern region of Morocco. Hi, I miss Morocco. I miss my people there. These are very much loved by everyone, I think. Elders, kids, everyone. We go through them very quickly in this household. They're very easy, very crunchy, very soft, very much amazing. They're very easy to make, so I'll show you how to make them. So to make the churros, you're going to need 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of water, or like at least use the measurement flour to water in a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you're doing 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of water, you get the idea. 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of salt, and we're using some vanilla. You can also use orange blossom water or rose water, anything. We're just like to remove the smell of flour in general. So first step is, in a saucepan we're going to add in our water, our oil, and our salt, and we'll bring that to a boil. Now we'll just like bring it to a boil. So I changed it to a smaller stovetop because this recipe requires a lot of like effort and muscles, and I'm not really that good at that. So this will just make it easier. We're just now going to add a tiny bit of vanilla. And we're just going to mix that, and then we're going to add in our flour all at once. And we're going to mix that until it becomes a dough-like consistency. So now we're just going to mix that around until it forms a dough that is that holds its shape, doesn't stick to our saucepan or pot, and is just one ball. So our dough is done. Now we're just going to put it in a piping bag and let our oil, which we've put on a pan, just heat up. After our oil has heated, now we just use a piping bag to just to pipe out our churros, and we cut using scissors. So we continue this process until all of our dough has been fried. So our pan has been filled with churros. So I don't think we can add any more dough at the moment. So now we're just going to wait for some of them to like just fry up and become golden brown. So as you can see, they've started to like turn golden brown, which is exactly what they should be. Like they should be crunchy and golden brown. So we'll just wait for them a little bit more and take them off the heat. So after we took them off the heat, as you can see, they're golden brown and they're crispy. So to serve them, we can either use chocolate, or if you don't like chocolate, you can also use cinnamon and sugar. That works just as fine. So you could hear the crunchiness, that was obvious. It's also very soft from the inside. They're very chewy as well. I believe this is something that's like liked by everyone. I think you can't really get enough of those. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!